Hi, this is Mila, and randomly and completely out of order, I have an MGA's Miniverse Make It Mini Ball, and it is so cute. There's a bunch of options, there's comic books, and I picked up one randomly at an Indigo. As far as I know, those are not yet available in Canada other than the Indigo, so I was very happy to see it. And I did pick up just the one, but I'm pretty happy with it because they were very cute. And I think they're showing you, for the most part, what there's to collect. There's all sorts of kind of Batman paraphernalia and the comic books, while the Batman, I guess, gadgets are cute. I kind of want to get the comic books, so at least one comic book, obviously, because I have the one ball. And yeah, I'm very excited about this. It says there's 4 to make and collect, so I'm very excited to see what's inside. These ones, I feel like I found pencil marks. Yeah, there we go. This one was pretty easy to see because it was on the white, so I kind of went for one that was easy to see, so this way I could show it easily. And I have no idea what's inside, but I'm usually more of a Marvel girl than a DC girl, other than, you know, Arrow and Superman and Flash, and yeah. I do love superheroes, but just I was not sure how to integrate this into my decor in my mini living room. But I think I'll mostly make maybe a glass case to display kind of nerdier things, and this way I can kind of put any sort of topic, because from the 5 Surprise, I do have I don't know, a VHS for The Little Mermaid and stuff like that. So that would be kind of a fun way to display them. But I've never opened such a ball before. I'm very excited. It is very square, so I'm not sure whether it can qualify as a ball. It's more of a capsule, I guess. It looks pretty intense. Okay. I don't think I'm even going to try to open it by myself. I don't have the best of luck regarding that. Ooh, that looks very cute. That is adorable. I feel as if I'm going into Batman's cave. Okay, wait a second. Yeah, maybe getting into the cave, but I can't open the cave. Okay, does it have something to... No, this is... Must open from this side. There we go. This is very intense, let me tell you. Okay. There's all sorts of stuff inside. I don't know what that is, but that's very cute. And I'm assuming that's the comic book. And there's... What are these things? Okay. So I will just stay. I will... Oh, am I hearing something moving? Give me a second. What is... I can hear it moving. Oh, there we go. There's a little bit right here that's kind of moving. I don't know what it's supposed to do, but... Okay, let me get it out. Because this ball doesn't really need help standing up. So maybe that's some kind of a display thing. Okay, I'll wait a bit for the comic book. Although I see Miniverse comic on top, and that's kind of adorable. See, I'm going to use it like this. If it holds, and that's a no. And there's this that I don't know what that's for. Okay, maybe I should just look at the instructions, open the things, and go from there. Ooh, I think I got the little Batsignal just based on this. Okay, that's adorable. Is there something else inside? No. That is really cute. Okay. And is there a button or something to make it go? Yeah, oh, there we go. I see nothing. Okay, I guess I'll do this in the dark afterward to see whether I'll be able to see something, because right now I can't. It's not that strong. Okay, let's see what the instructions are, because I'm kind of confused. Yeah, I'm just going to look at this first. Okay. So, Make It Mini, Batsignal, Batmobile. I think I'm definitely having the Batsignal here. Collect them all. Ooh, those are the different comic books I like. Okay, so because of the yellow, I think that I think I have one of these. That's really adorable. Okay, wait a second. How can you make 4 when there's so many to collect? I'm so confused. Huh. Well, to be continued. Okay, let me just put this right here. I guess I need to get these parts off somehow. Oh, that was easy. I was anticipating a lot more issues. That's one bit. Okay, that's a second bit. And number 4. Okay, that was really easy. I guess I don't need that. Okay, put this here. And this on top, so I guess I have to match up the little hole thingies. There we go. Okay. And this goes on top, so I guess it can kind of turn. And then this must go up. There we go. There's little holes right here that are hexagonal, I would say. Okay. Come on. Do not disappoint me now. Almost. Yay, got it. So this way I can turn my Batsignal whichever way my heart desires. Okay. And, oh, I'm supposed to put something, I guess. Maybe? Yay? Okay, it's showing me... What's number 4? Okay. I guess there's something, yeah, definitely to add to the front, because I'm not seeing a bat. Oh, maybe that's what's in the little case, like a little thingy that gets added to the front. Yes. Yes, yes. Ooh, there's 2. There's 2 kind of bats. Yeah, I think I'm going to go for this one. But that's really cool and thoughtful. Okay. And I guess I just clip it on. Okay. I do have to say, I find it weird because the light is not in the middle, but sure. Okay, and let's turn it on to see. Okay. This does not seem very strong at all. Let me turn off the lights. Everything is going to become very dark. And, oh, I forgot that I had another light on. 2 seconds. Yeah, I'm going to turn this on just so I don't kill myself. There we go. And turn this off. Where's the little switch? And, ooh, that's so cute. Okay, let me just find a flat surface. There we go. I just need, wow, that's pretty cool. That is really, really cool. And in the dark, it like glows pretty well, I would say. See? Because the light is so close, though, it becomes very large very quickly. Let me see if I can... Oh, yeah, it becomes quite unfocused if I go on the wall. But I think it's very adorable, and I think it's a great idea. Okay, well, this is really cute. I don't think I need to keep it on for the rest of it. Oh, yeah, and they're showing you can turn it around, turn it on, and all. Do I try the other bat? I mean, I could, but I'm assuming it's just going to make, you know, this shape. Might as well, given that is pretty much what it comes with. I want to try all the options. And this one, I'm just going to turn it a bit. There we go. This is fun. This is fun, but I would have liked to have more like, come on, a Superman-y thing, or I don't know. I'm like, are you huge Batman fans? Let me know. Why is the light on in the middle? I guess that might make it easier. Oh no, here I go for the lights again. And that's one. I will turn it on, otherwise it's going to look really weird in the dark. And here's this little bat. That's adorable. I'm actually liking this one more. I'm not gonna lie. I thought I liked the other one shape-wise more, but because that's kind of the one that I think of Batsignal in my mind, but this one is showing very nicely, and it's, I think, very crisp. Okay, well, that is so cute. And now that the lights are back on, I think the only thing that I haven't opened is the little comic book, and I'm very excited to open it. I guess this one is going to stay like this on the table, just because it's very cute, and I guess I'll put those, ooh, in their little case. There we go. Let's see what the comic book is. It is Batman 8.7 Miniverse Comics. That is so cute. And I love the little collectible case. Now, I do want to see whether that opens. Does it open? Oh, I feel like there's a hole in the bottom. I don't want to crack it or break it. Okay. Like, I don't think that's coming apart. I guess I'll try to check out some videos and see, but I don't want to break it either. I think it's very cute. I'm not sure whether that's for that. Oh, that could be for this, maybe, because of the size. No. What is it for? That's my UV light. Again. What is it for? No, but seriously. What is this bit for? Okay, can you please let me know if you know what this is for? Because now it's bugging me. And clearly it's not a stand because nothing is standing. But I'm very happy with this. I think it's going to be a great collection. I think size-wise it's great for Lizzie. So I'm pretty happy with this. And this is a great collection piece. This one doesn't want to stand sideways either. I could use it for this, I guess. There we go. And this is just going to stand like this. There we go. I think the amount of detail is pretty great, I won't lie. It says number 423 from the DC Comics. So I kind of feel like Googling and seeing whether the cover is actually the same. I'll be right back. Well, it is an actual comic book, and it actually, from what I understand, it sells for a pretty penny, or at least what I consider to be expensive. That said, obviously, I'm talking about the real one, not the mini version. That's absolutely adorable, and let's see where 8.7 is. 8.7, it's right here, so that's the one that I got. There's a lot to collect, though. I'm pretty surprised because there's just 4 items. Sorry, 4 items. The Batsignal, the Batarang, grappling gun, and the Batmobile. But there's a ton of comic books. So, like, you can get many, many comic books. Although, I'm just noticing this. These are kind of with little stars around, so I'm not sure whether that means they're like more rare or more special or something. But I'm pretty happy with the one I got. It looks very vintage, and yeah. Let me know whether you're planning on getting stuff from this collection, because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like you have to love DC superheroes to get it. Like, I don't think you'd necessarily get it just to get it, unless you like, you know, comic books and stuff like that. I'm pretty happy with the one I got, and it's definitely going to go into my display case, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you for the next little moment we get to share together. Bye!